Unit 107 at Desert Wind Apartments. The vertical blinds. Air return grill is here with this structure. Got a pony wall in the kitchen. And this kind of
Oh, yeah.
strange windows.
Sure.
Stuck. It's painted shut for a while, I think. Good to know there's probably not a lot of electric issues then. Hot water heater in this closet. This was a unit that Chris had mentioned, him and Mike discussing the possibility of moving the hot water heater out to a built cabinet behind the unit since there is a backyard. There's nothing out there. And then possibly plumbing to have the washer, well, already have the plumbing, but to have the washer, dryer, the stackable here in this closet. Or still the potential to have, like in Unit 104, the small combo washer and dryer. So, try not to get myself in the mirror here. It's gonna be pretty impossible. This one does not have popcorn ceiling, so this one's already been scraped.